Alright, mga kalaws. So, my granddaughter today, it's my cook today. So, she has two guests for her help. And, Christian, can you say hi to mga lalas? Say hi, mga lalas. Say hi. Jay, say hi. Say hi.
Yes.
Uh-huh. And so my granddaughter, she is going to make some chicken strips. She's good at this. So, and this is her flour that she already seasoned it.
With black pepper, garlic, salt, and onion powder. Hey, don't touch that.
No, JC, no. You're gonna cut yourself.
Don't touch it, Farty.
Be nice to the fish, okay? So my food taster here, they got tired. They're now running around. What?
Scare me.
Watching the fish? Fish?
Cool.
Oh my gosh, mga kalaws. My house is full of grandkids again. My granddaughter, 12 years old, going on 13. She is cooking her famous recipe, chicken.
I got it from my dad, so
Okay. Yeah. Oh, you got that from that.
hand that's wet and one hand that's
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to
Okay.
face it to me. I want to see myself.
Hey, I know. I'm going. I'm looking.
Flour to be seasoned even.
Yeah.
And here's some of the finished chicken. Some of these kids are being too rowdy today. Sorry, I'm shaking hands. Can you chill? Chill. Say hi. Say hi, mga kalalas. Ow, you didn't need to push me. Okay, now I'm gonna pause again. Look at this site. Okay, be careful though. Careful. Hey, be careful. Chill. They're hugging. Can you stop? Update. I put another chicken in there. It looks tasty. And I also did the dishes because I'm really cool. Here's our microwave.
Lost my food taster got tired, and now they're taking a break and eat their grapes. Come here, Casey, sit down. Sit down right there. Sit down. So there you go. My food taster. There you go. They got tired of cooking and eating. My granddaughter, she made this delicious chicken fingers. Now my food taster, they're ready to try it. Now one at a time, Christian. Is it good? No, one at a time. One at a time first. One at a time. Okay, try it. Try. Say thank you. Say thank you, Yaya. Give Yaya thumbs up. Give Yaya thumbs up. One thumbs up. Thumbs up for Yaya. There you guys, mga kalaws. My granddaughter, she made her chicken fingers. She loves, everybody loves it. And also my food taster. No, Tisoy. Just bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, mga kalaws. There you guys, mga kalaws. My grandkids has been so impatient waiting for the chicken fingers that her big cousin is cooking. So now they are ready for their see, they are eating now. Sorry to give you guys headache, but please give a thumbs up for my granddaughter's chicken fingers.